Guys, welcome back to another music video reaction to Prince Swanny, Through the Storm. This is a Trinidad artist. I know this artist, I think I rated about 3 of his songs, and he's pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna check out this one and see what's going on. Begin. Oh, and someone said there's a place in Trinidad called, I think either Marvally or Rivali. Yeah, in Jamaica there actually a place called Marvally also. So yeah, that's very interesting. Yo, dude, I can tell that this guy is one of the top artists in Trinidad, if not probably the top. Just by the way he's singing, and I said his songs are pretty good, so I just know that he's a top dog in Trinidad. Man, tell life when live the fat pussy girl must stick on. He's like a fly chop. And the girl in the stick on and chop. That's crazy. Wait, is this England? This kind of like England. What about brick wall? I don't know. I'm getting England vibes. Yeah, pretty girl, bro. Up to them. Oh, I think someone said the gold chains are a form of status. That's why you see them wearing the long gold chains and stuff like that. Because most artists just like the diamond, like American artists are probably even Jamaican, like silver, no, not silver, they like diamonds and white gold. But the Trinidad love the gold, like literal gold, you know what I mean? So what, this those guys that like it, designers, like him want a suit get made? Oh, dude, I did say it. They are his designers. That's crazy. Funny. Through the Storm. This dude is actually pretty good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. And I'm making the assumption right now that he's probably either the top or one of the top in Trinidad. I don't know. You guys probably gonna let me know. Yeah, so this is an integration video. Peace out.